paper of 2019 of ISI. As you know, ISI has two parts. One is UGA, which is having objective question, another is UGB. In today's session, I'll be solving all the questions of UGA, and in next session, I'll be taking UGB. And then in the next session, I will also be analyzing the entire paper, that from which topic how many questions were asked, how many questions were easy, how many questions were difficult. Okay, so all these things, doability of different questions, all these things I'll be discussing in the next session. So let us start with solving of this UGA of 2019 B stat or B maths of ISI. So this is my first question. You are given 4 into 4 chessboard and asked to fill it with 3 into 1 piece and 1 into 1 piece. Then over all such fillings, the number of squares that can be occupied by 1 into 1 piece is. Options are 4, 8, 12, 16. Now, we can consider this kind of a square. Now, we are given 5, 3 into 1, which will be occupying 15 1 into 1 box of these 4 into 4 square chessboard. I am calling this as one box. Okay, so such 15 boxes will be occupied by these 3 into 1 pieces, and remaining one box will be occupied by this 1 into 1 piece, so that this entire 4 into 4 chessboard is covered. So we don't have to overlap any box and we don't have to leave any box. We have to cover all these 16 boxes of this 4 into 4 chessboard. Now, one of the way could be that I start from this corner and I can put this 3 into 3 into 1 piece here. Then one more 3 into 1 piece I put it here. Then one more, I put it here. There is no overlapping as of now. One more here. So 4 3 into 1 pieces has been used. Now I am having 4 boxes in this vertical column, you can say. All of them are empty. So 3 into 1, if I use that remaining 3 into 1 piece, I think I can fill these 3 boxes like this, and the remaining one box of this 4 into 4 chessboard can be filled using 1 into 1 piece this way. So you can see all the 16 boxes of this chessboard are covered using these 5 3 into 1 and 1 into 1 pieces. In this case, 1 into 1 piece is occupying this corner space. Now similar to this approach, I think we can easily see this corner could have been, this 1 into 1 piece could have been there in this corner also. It's very simple. I just have to fit this 3 into 1 vertical piece in these 3 boxes in this right hand side vertical line, you can say, or column, you can say. And then this 1 into 1 piece will be fitting into this corner. Now similar to this, we could have had this box into this corner also, this corner also. So it is very easy to see that there can be 4 choices for 1 into 1 piece. But what if we are not putting this 1 into 1 piece into corners, or we are putting this into either here or anywhere else other than these 4 corners? Let me mark these 4 corners this way. So if my 1 into 1 piece is not coming in these 4 corners, then these corner has to be filled using 3 into 1 piece only. In that case, we have 2 ways. Suppose I have to fill this corner using 3 into 1. So I will be putting one 3 into 1 piece either horizontally or vertically. I think they will be same thing. You can do it otherwise also. I am taking a horizontal 3 into 1 piece so that it covers this corner also and also other 2 boxes of this chessboard. Now, if I have to fill this also using a 3 into 1 piece, because no overlapping is allowed, so I think I should be putting it this way. Then only I will be able to fill this corner also, and these 3 into 1 piece will be covering 3 boxes of this chessboard which are not covered already, so that no overlapping is there. Similarly, to cover this corner, I think I need to put this way. And similarly for this one, I think I need to put this way. But what you notice here, that if we do this, that means I do not put 1 into 1 piece in these 4 corners, then I will be having still 1 3 into 1 piece, and I will be having 1 into 1 piece. So theoretically you can see I still having sufficient material to cover 4 boxes of this chessboard, but Out of this 3 into 1 is having a dimension of 3 in one way and 3 length in one side you can say, and length 1 on the perpendicular side you can say. Then this 3 into 1 piece cannot cover these three these three boxes, because if you fill this way, I think it is going to cover this box also, and then we will be having only 1 into 1 piece which can either cover this or this, and I will be having one box uncovered. So I hope you are getting that if we do not put 1 into 1 piece on these corners, we will not be able to cover the entire chessboard. In fact, we will be overlapping at one of the place and one of the box will be left uncovered. So answer for this has to be 4 only. Dear all, this question was a tricky one. In the exam pressure, it is not expected that we can very easily conclude that it will be 4. Sometimes it looks like there can be few more boxes where we can fill this one into one piece. So in exam, I can say this question was little I can say difficult, or maybe average to difficult from the exam point of view. Okay, now coming